Hey guys, Mighty Scrapper here. So I'm going to do a two-part series just to make it easier on me, so I have more time to scrap and less time to edit. So what did we get out of here? So we got a motor. If y'all can see that, a motor, some wires. Canadian Treasure Hunter has a video out on that stuff right there. It was like 5 or 6 videos ago, maybe. But let me down here. Here I have the motor. It's copper. It's an older one, so I knew it was going to be copper. Cast aluminum sides, so that should be great. So just wire and a motor in it. A lot of stuff. A lot of it was tin, but some good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this two-part series. If you did, leave a like down below. Leave a comment down below. Till next time, have a good day.